पारितोष त्रिपाठी एक अभिनेता है
जी।
तो ये कविता मैंने बहुत पहले उसको सुना था कहते हुए, मैं 2 लाइनें पढ़ के सुनाता हूँ।
प्लीज सर।
जो बिना आंसू बिना आवाज के रोता है वो बाप होता है, बच्चों की किस्मत के छेद को अपनी बनियान में पहन लेता है वो बाप होता है। घर में सबके लिए नए जूते आते हैं, इसके लिए बाप के तलवे घिस जाते हैं। जो अपनी आंखों में दूसरों के सपने सजोता है वो बाप होता है। सच है माँ हमें रखती है कोख में 9 महीने, पर 9 महीने जो दिमाग में ढोता है वो बाप होता है।
जी वाह।
बाप रखवाला होता है, बाप निवाला होता है, बाप अपनी औलाद से हार के मुस्कुराने वाला होता है। बाप करता है कहता नहीं, जब बाप समझ में आ जाता है तब तक वो पास रहता नहीं।
वाह।
And actually, when I was watching the film, मेरे को कहानी नहीं मालूम थी. When my dad's character dies in it, I couldn't see the film. I was at Karan Johar's trial. पापा 2 फिल्में कर रहे हैं अभी.
Yeah, he's doing one.
Imagine he's turning 88 on 8th of December.
Yeah.
And he's still working. I mean, hats off to him. This man has so much of fire.
Yeah.
I mean, he's my inspiration.
And the charm is still that
Yeah.
evergreen.
I mean, no one can be as good looking or
Yeah.
charming as my father.
Correct.
He's God's gift to this world.
I was at Gaiety Galaxy and 9 o'clock show और शो के इंटरवल में पापा कॉल्ड मी अप. दिस इज फॉर कहो ना प्यार. And his voice was cracking on the phone and he said, Dugu, we've done it. The film is a hit. All these places are houseful. And that's probably, I think, the only time that I can consciously remember my father's voice breaking into a kind of a cry.
Yeah, because it was the father speaking, not the director and producer.
मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ, आप लोग नहीं देख सकते हैं, राकेश जी की आंखों में यहाँ भी आंसू आ गए हैं.
That was a victory that I think I will never be able to relive again in my life, because it had, I think, 10-15 years of hard work that went into that first film. My father's hard work and mine. All the learnings that he had built inside him through all the films that he had done, all the successes and the failures. And for this film, having the house mortgaged and having that risk. So it was a victory that I think only my dad and I can truly understand. But yeah, that's how you make dreams come true. You persevere and you persevere and you persevere. You just keep going. I remember this very clearly. So after Koi Mil Gaya, Papa had some, I think, 7-8 ideas that we discussed, and nothing was like feeling right. So no, I kept saying, no, Papa, let's think something else. We'll think of something else. तो इसमें 1-2-3 महीने गुजर गए थे और एक दिन सुबह I was in my room and Papa used to get all his ideas in the shower. And he used to come out in his bath towel with a towel wrapped and he used to hurriedly come to my room. Idea aaya. This time the idea was, what if the powers that Jadoo gave Rohit goes into Rohit's son and we see the growing of this boy in the mountains who can achieve feats that is humanly impossible. Something like that. And I was like, this is it! We've got it! Father, I think he did the best thing ever. He only ever taught by example. Never said, do this, do that, do this, do that, don't do that. He just, whatever he wanted me to do, he showed. He did it himself. I watched and I learned.
आपने आपके फादर के साथ 16 साल की उम्र से काम करना शुरू किया है और we all know the things that you did to provide for your family along with your father.
That's a big statement.
So, the person that you are today, how have those intricate experiences helped in making you the Karan Kundra that you are today?
First of all, I have not provided for my family. I am not, even today I'm nobody to provide for my family. My father and my mother, they're very, very hardworking people. They started off, when my mom and my dad got married, my dad was in the Air Force, my mom was training to be a medical practitioner back in 70s here only. So I think my dad had some utensils जो कि एयरफोर्स के उसमें होते हैं. माई मम हैड समथिंग. अच्छा, वो शादी उन्होंने की, दे लाइक ईच अदर, शादी की, और वो पापा अपने एयरफोर्स स्टेशन वापस गए और मॉम अपने हॉस्टल वापस गए. फ्रॉम देयर दे बिल्ड अप दिस लाइफ where there are 3 sisters, me, then the extended family, my brother-in-law, my nephews and everything. So I don't think मेरी इतनी औकात नहीं है कि मैं provide कर सकूं, but very strong human beings, and what they've instilled into us is this fearlessness. Because we've seen a lot of bad days, we've seen a lot of good days. For us it was never bad days or good days, it was just a boom and recession, which is very evident. Like whenever we had bad days, dad used to be like, "Arey, recession hai yaar, ye to hota hi hai," and there'll be better days. So I think my schooling, when it comes to how work happens, how what life should be about, gave me a lot of strength to face a lot of things. Because of that, when somebody comes and says, "Yeah, that period after becoming an actor, that period was a lull period for you," I was like, "अच्छा, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं चला." So yeah, I think the confidence that when they instill, and of course, I have this attitude of deserve and desire. So I don't. अगर मुझे कोई चीज़ अच्छी लगती है तो I work for it, and that I think has come from my dad. It's not like कि यार आप नहीं ले सकते, ये तो बड़े लोगों के लिए है. हमारा यही था कि जो भी चाहिए वो बन के ले लो. Yeah, so that is always there.
Pink Villa. Look no further.